No, Telangana people always have known Congress government attitude and especially the Gandhi's attitude, because only during election Gandhis are paraded across the country, try to get some votes for Congress. But when it actually matters, when the issue is on the boil, when the issue of protecting the rights of minorities is there, they are not there in the parliament, neither they are serious about defending or speaking on the bill. Why did Rahul Gandhi ji not speak on this important bill when he talks about peace, when he talks about Mohabbat ka dukan? And it is the contrary that is happening in this nation today. Why isn't Mr. Rahul Gandhi speaking in the parliament on this issue? He should have spoken. I mean, very, very disappointed to see that the main leader of the opposition of our nation does not stand up for more than 30 crore people of this nation. It is unfortunate. And Priyanka ji not being there, I have no idea why she is not there, but it did not go very well and we are very thoroughly disappointed. Not only me, but entire minority community, there is huge discussion across the nation that the Gandhi Parivar should have been there.